In this tutorial, we will explain how to capture the username entered in Articulate Storyline and display it in a web object using JavaScript. Open your Articulate Storyline project file where you plan to incorporate the username into a web object. Step 1. Adding a text entry field to capture the username. Select the Insert tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Navigate to the Interactive Objects section and click on the Input tab. Choose Text Entry field from the options available under Data Entry. Position the text entry field as desired on the slide. Step 2. Embedding JavaScript into the web object file. Access your web object file. Copy and paste the provided code snippets into your web object file. Begin by inserting the style code snippet into the head section. Then, include the following code within the body section to create a container for displaying the username. Finally, add the script to fetch and display the username within the web object. In this instance, we've used the variable name username. However, you can customize the variable name in Storyline to suit your preferences. Just remember to maintain consistency by using the same variable name in both the script and Storyline for seamless integration. After incorporating the code, save your web object file. Step 3. Preview and test. Publish your Storyline project online to test the script and ensure there are no issues. Verify that the username you entered is correctly displayed within the web object file. Thank you for watching the video.